Hi, I am Kirti Ganesh, a DTSC from Huawei India Research Center. Welcome to Develop with HMS Code. Today, I am going to explain about ScanKit and show the integration steps. In the last two videos about ScanKit, we introduced ScanKit with default view and customized view. If you want to watch ScanKit default view mode and customized view mode, please click on the link below. In this video, we will introduce ScanKit bitmap mode. In bitmap mode, the process of scanning barcode can be performed in two ways, either using the camera or the images in the album. For the two barcode scanning ways, ScanKit provides optimized scanning algorithms. Choosing the ones that suits your needs best will provide you with the best experience. Now, let's get coding.
Open Huawei developer website. Go to Developer Console. App Gallery Connect. Open My Apps. Click New App. Enter the relevant information. Select Add to Project and click OK to create a project. Go to My Projects. Select Manually enter the package name. Enter the package name and save it. Set the data storage location. Add the SHA-256 certificate fingerprint for your application. Then download agconnectservices.json file. Add agconnectservices.json file under the app directory. Verify the package name that was mentioned in App Gallery. Go to Android. Open the project build.gradle file. Add the Huawei Maven repository in repositories and add class path. Once it is done, open the app build.gradle file. Add AgConnect plugin and Huawei ScanKit dependency in dependencies and click sync. Now go to manifest file and add permissions. Go to main activity class. Add buttons for scan bitmap through image and camera. Tap on scan image button, check the runtime permission. On success, call the system album through start activity for result with type image. In on activity result, get the image path and obtain the bitmap. Call the decode with bitmap method to pass the bitmap. Obtain the scanning result. Now for scan through camera, tap on scan camera button. Check the runtime permission. On success, call the custom camera activity through start activity for result. Go to camera activity class. Add surface view in XML and add callback through implements surface holder callback. Now on surface created callback, start the camera using camera open. Set the autofocus mode and orientation. Start camera on surface using start preview method. Now tap on capture image. Call the take picture method by using picture callback. On callback gets the image data, obtain the bitmap and call the decode with bitmap method to pass the bitmap. Now obtain the result and pass to previous activity using setResult method. Finish the current activity. In onActivity result, show the result.
Let's try it out. To do that, open newly installed app and tap on barcode from image. Select image. Scanning result is displayed. Now tap on barcode using the camera. Capture barcode image. Scanning result is displayed. There you go. You have now integrated Huawei ScanKit bitmap mode into your app. Well, that's all for today's video. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments area below or visit Huawei developer website and be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.